Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Baby Sonic, so let's get started. To draw Baby Sonic, let's first start by drawing his little nose. So right here, I'm just going to draw a little curve and then connect it at the bottom with a softer curve. And I'll just come in here, give it a little highlight at the top and shade it in. So then from there, we're going to draw his eyes. So about say right here on each side, I'm just going to give myself a point. Nice and even on both sides. And that's where I'm going to start to draw the eyes. So it's going to be a really big curve that's going to go across. So I'm going to start right here and just draw this really big curve. Because big eyes are a lot cuter, right? And this is Baby Sonic. So something like that. And then I'm just going to go ahead and connect it with a soft curve all the way back. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So now that you have this point, once again, just go up. And I'll just drag a point across, so approximate same height. And then bring it down just like the other side. And connect it. Okay, so from there, we're going to come inside and draw an oval right in here. So I'm going to start closer to this edge. I'll start about right here and draw a good size oval right inside. So same thing over here. So about right here. And then let's go inside for some details. We're going to draw another oval, but if you don't have a whiteout pen, what you want to do is draw a circle here first for a highlight. So nice circle. And then if you want, you can add another one here as well, a smaller one. So you can draw in those circles first and then come in here and draw another oval inside. But if you do have a highlight pen, you can just go ahead and do the highlights after. So then you just come in here and shade this oval in. And then I'll show you guys later towards the end of the video on how to color in the rest of the eye. Okay, so we're going to do the same exact thing over here. So now that we have that in, let's come to the top of the eye right here on the side, and I'm just going to draw a slight curve above each eye. And then right underneath the nose, let's draw a sweet smile. So I'll say about right here. Just going to give him a slightly smirk smile, a little bit upward, more upwards on this side, and cap it off. There. So cute, right? Okay, so then now we can come right here where this edge is, this corner, and we're going to draw a curve to start his face, his cheek area. So those two curves, and then we're just going to go ahead and connect it underneath. So not too long, just a shallow curve. So right there, I'm just going to go ahead and connect it. There. Okay, so now we have that in. Now we can go ahead and, you know what, I'm going to come to the top right here and draw his ears. So right above, kind of in this, where his eyes are, let's go using this point as my guide. I'm going to go straight up to about right here. And I'm going to just start a curve for his ears. This is going to be the inside. Curve for his ear, and then let's come to the outside and draw another curve for the outside. So same exact thing. So just using this as your guide, go straight up and say about right there. And once again, just like the other side, about right here, and connect. So I'm just going to drag some points across just to be approximate. Same height. And the outside. There, got his ears in. And then right in between his ears, we're going to draw a curve. So about right here. And I'll just drag a point across once again. So about right there. And my center being the highest point and then coming down. Okay, so then we're just going to bring this curve, imagine it coming through. So about right here. And I'll just draw the first strand first, and I'll draw the rest later because we need to draw his body. So I'll say about right there, I'll come in and then draw another zigzag. And I'll just leave it there for now. And I won't draw this side yet, but I'll just give myself a point for now. So about right here, it's going to go through. And I'll just stop it for there because he has his hands coming out and he's holding a flower. Okay, so now let's work on his body. We're going to center everything. So about right here and here. With those 2 points, I'm going to come down with a slight angle curve. And then let's bring it down more. And we're going to start to curve it in. So then about right there, just gonna imagine, say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. So then right there, I'm gonna draw a slight angle. And this is where his legs are gonna start. So from the center point right here, we're gonna curve out on both sides. So not too long because he is a baby. So we're gonna bring this down to match on both sides. Okay, so then from there we can go ahead and connect. And then now we can draw his feet. So I'm going to give him his socks first. So come right here and we're going to wobble a curve. Wobble. And then right in here, we're just going to draw a curve. And then we're going to start to come down with that curve to draw his shoe, and then round it off right here. This is just a very simplified way to draw the shoe. And come right down to the bottom and draw the sole part. And you come in here and just give it some detail. So same exact thing on the other side. From there, let's go ahead and come right here and draw his tummy area. So I'm just going to follow the outside curve on both sides and just round it off towards the bottom. And then now we can go ahead and draw his arms. So let's work on this side first. And since this one's much easier and it's just to his side, so about right here, I'm just going to come out with a curve to about right here because we want his hands ending about this area. So about right there, bring in another curve, and then we're going to connect it. And then once again, just like the socks, we're going to take a little wobble right here and connect it. And come in here with a little detail curve. And then now we're going to draw his hand. So come right here and we're going to draw a thumb, and then right here, round it off with a curve and bring it in. And then you can come in here with 2 small curves for some details. For his other hand, let's come out about right here, and we're going to draw a curve coming out. So about right here, let's draw a curve coming out, and about the same thickness as the other hand. So say about right here, curving out, and I'm going to make this curve a little bit wider towards the outside. Okay, so say about right there, I'll stop and bring in a curve. And then once again, wobble and connect. And now for his hand. So right here, we're going to start with a thumb first. It's going to be a curve that comes in. And then right here, we're going to tuck in 1 finger. So it's just the ovals that are overlapped. And 1 more. And then right here, connect it with a curve. So in this space right here, we're going to tuck in the flower. So come right here and just draw a stem coming in, and just have a little indication of it coming out at the bottom right there. And so then come right here, we're going to draw the flower. So it's just a big circle for the center, and just going to radiate a bunch of these points all the way around. And then 2 leaves. So 1 coming from here and 1 right here. There, now Sonic has his flower. So now we can finally work on the rest of his mane right here. So I'm going to finish this off and bring this down, all the way down. So say about right there, and then zigzag up and in. So now we're going to do the same thing on this side. So whatever space you have left, that's your goal, is just to tuck in this mane. So approximate, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't have to be exactly the same as the other side, but say about right there. Zigzag in, and then come out just like the other side. And about right here, and let's see, approximately about right there, zigzag up and down. And of course, to make it my Just So Cute Sonic, I'm going to add a heart right here. So we're pretty much done with the drawing of baby Sonic here. Now I'm going to come in and show you how to color in the eyes. So I'm going to just use 2 shades of green, a lighter and a darker, since his eyes are green. And our goal here is to make everything here lighter towards the bottom and darker at the top. So let's get started. So they're all done with this baby Sonic, and I hope you love how it turned out, and I was able to help you draw it as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.